Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows Nothing or a Little Bit of Something, and today's video is all about what's new at Dollar Tree for the month of July. Do me a solid and make sure you subscribe if you are not a subscriber. I would appreciate it so much. And also make sure you thumbs up the video. I would appreciate that as well. The more thumbs up we get, the more people get to see the video. And I would love to spread the word about Dollar Tree because that's one of my favorite places to shop, obviously. First, we're going to just move past 4th of July. Not that I don't like 4th of July, but they pretty much, it's a staple to have 4th of July holiday decorations around this time of the month, of course, for the holiday, but they do have a wide variety of decorations if you are planning to decorate for 4th of July or have some sort of a party. They got you covered at Dollar Tree. So we're just going to kind of mosey on by that if you guys don't mind. Kitchen towels. So Dollar Tree is notorious for this. They always seem to roll out some sort of new kitchen towel designs, and this time around they are fruit oriented or fruit decor or whatever you want to call it, okay? Fruit specific. I actually bought the watermelon ones, and this says Hello Sweet Summer, which I thought was really, really nice. I'm not a red person typically, but I just couldn't resist these because I just thought the Hello Summer was really nice. This is a 2-pack. And these are pretty good quality towels for kitchen towels. Now the oven mitts and the pot holders, try those at your own risk. If you mosey on over to the plus section, you will find floats. Yes, pool floats, and these are pretty affordable and they're very, very cute. They have a giant popsicle and ice cream scoops. And they also have a lounge chair, which I thought was really nice to have. Also in the plus section, they had this 18-can cooler. This is great if you are going to the pool or going to the beach. They had these nice prints that had a tropical print, a lemon print, and they also had black, just a solid black color if you are not into any colorful prints or anything like that. But these are great for if you're going to the pool or to the beach, or if you just want to have something in there, like maybe even a cold pack if you start to overheat easily, or you may want to put your sunscreen in there as well. So this is a good option, and you can find it in the plus section at Dollar Tree. Bumblebee tuna. Now, I am a person who likes tuna. I know not everybody does, but I like it, and I love to find these single serve packets of tuna. I think they're great on days, well, at least for me, on days whenever I'm having lunch, but I don't want a big lunch, or I don't really have a whole lot of time to get lunch. I can just open a pack of tuna and maybe have some crackers or something like that, and I'm good to go. They had a big variety of flavors there. I was really impressed. They had cracked pepper and sea salt, lemon pepper, roasted garlic, spicy Thai chili, and a light tuna as well. I got the cracked pepper and sea salt. I haven't had it yet. It is in my desk at work, just for those days when I am too busy or I'm just not very hungry. Dog treat container. I really was happy to see this. If you guys don't know, I do have a dog. His name is Cosmo. He is just, I love him so much. So I was super excited to find these dog treat containers. They had really cute colors. They had a pink, and they had this kind of a turquoise bluish green color, and they also had black. Well, I just decided to get the black one just because my dog is black and white, so I went with the black one, and we have been using it ever since we got it to hold his treats in it. It seals them nice and tight, and the lid opens up fairly easy, so you could just pop it off, give your dog a treat, and go about your business. I love this container. It's great. In the beauty section, they had this makeup brush holder, and I've not seen this before. If you've seen it, guys, be understanding. What's new at my Dollar Tree may not be new at your Dollar Tree, but this was my first time seeing this makeup brush holder, and it came in black and pink, and it holds up to 15 brushes. So anything that can help a girl organize her makeup, I am all for. The handy dandy cosmetic swabs. I was just kind of walking around I guess it was the medicinal area, health hygiene area in Dollar Tree, and I saw these, I guess, infused is the best word to put it, cotton swabs. So it's a 50 count pack and they come in green tea, rose, lavender, and coconut oil infused. Now, I did not grab one of these yet because the verdict is still out. I'm gonna look online and see what other people have said. If you have tried these, let me know in the comments which ones you tried and if you like them or not. In the plus section, they had these cute summer signs. I think these are a great affordable option if you want to spruce up your porch, whether it's your back porch or your front porch. It's just a nice way to add a little bit of pizzazz and personality, and it's affordable. So if something happens to the sign, you don't feel too bad because you didn't spend a whole lot of money on it. But these were really cute and colorful. Speaking of colorful, they had these colorful planters and watering cans at Dollar Tree. These are plastic, of course, but they had such a variety, and in true Dollar Tree style, they were matchy-matchy all the way through, which I thought was really cute. And they had really good sizes, you guys, when it comes to the planters. Like, I was very impressed. Some of the colors included green, yellow, pink, blue, I think even. So yeah, they had some options there, and like I said, they had a lot of different sizes. So if you are a matchy person or you like to kind of switch it up and have a bunch of different colors, they got you covered. They have these reusable lunch bag or lunch kits that I thought was nice. They come in two sizes, a smaller size and then a larger size. These are great for kids, especially if they have like summer camps and things like that, or they're doing summer school, or they're just hanging out at home. Maybe you want to portion out their treats, or if you as an adult want to try them, you can. There's nothing stopping you. Do your thing. Dollar Tree has these makeup sponges that are shaped like fruit. So I thought that was really cute to see. I did not pick them up because I do not need any more makeup sponges, you guys. But if you do, go ahead, girl, do your thing. But yeah, they have these makeup sponges that are shaped like fruit. They had kiwi, they have orange, and they have lime. And they were just, like I said, very, very cute. If you are having like some sort of summer themed baby shower or bridal shower or something like that, or a kid's birthday party even, you could use these as party favors and stuff like that, or put them in gifts and things like that. Foundation setting spray. This is from the brand Be Pure, I believe. Oh no, it's not. It's from La Mercerie. I needed a new foundation setting spray from what I was using. I think I was using an NYX one, and I've been using it for so long, and I actually didn't like it, so I don't know why I was using it for so long. But it is what it is. It was affordable. But yeah, this is a matte finishing setting spray for makeup, and it is formulated with shea butter and argan oil, which is part of why I decided to purchase it. And I have used this one time. I think it's worked okay. It didn't give me any kind of reaction, so that's a good thing. But it's a really cute bottle, $1.25. I don't know, I think it's cute, and we will see. That's all I have, you guys. That's what's new at Dollar Tree for the month of July. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have purchased any of these items, let me know in the comments what they are, and let me know what the verdict is. Are they good products? Are they not? Is it a pass? Is it a keep? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up the video. I will talk to you next time. Bye.